In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the tools offered by manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to adjust product variants on your Wix store effectively. Whether you're just getting started with online commerce or are a seasoned store owner, understanding these steps will help you keep your inventory and pricing up to date with ease. First, we begin by heading to Wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you manage all aspects of your site. Here, you will want to locate and click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to make custom changes to your website. Within the editor, you'll notice a toolbar on the left side. Click on Pages and Menu. This section contains all the pages of your website, including ones that are visible to your customers and the backend structure you manage. Next, you will need to find and select Store Pages, which aggregates all your product pages in one convenient spot. Once inside the Store Pages, navigate to the Product page. This page layout is crucial because it's where you showcase your products to customers, complete with prices, descriptions, and images. After that, look for the option to manage products. This area is where you can add, edit, and update details of your product listings. To explore a product's variants, click the three dots next to the product listing, then select Manage Variants. This feature is particularly useful if your products come in different sizes, colors, or styles, such as a large t-shirt or a red hoodie. Here, you can dive deep into the specifics of each variation, setting them apart with distinct prices or stock levels. For instance, to modify an existing variant, click Edit Product. Under the Price column, enter the new price using familiar guidelines for sales or markdowns. If you want to put an item on sale, enable the on sale option to set a discounted price. Wix will automatically show the original price crossed out, making the discount evident to your customers. Moreover, you can manage advanced pricing settings, tailoring your offerings with options like variance pricing, subscriptions and recurring payments, and custom price options to suit diverse business needs. These features allow for greater flexibility, whether selling products as part of a subscription model or letting customers choose their price for certain items. Finally, after you've made your changes, click Save to secure your updates. To ensure everything is perfect before going live, use the preview feature, allowing you to see exactly how your customers will view the product information. Satisfied, click on Publish, followed by Done, and your store will reflect all the new adjustments, ready to offer the best experience to your customers.